So two ways I think you can create documents in Canva. So first way is probably what I'd say is through the templates window, or through what it kind of gives you in your sort of suggested templates. The second way is just going through the create a design option, which I think is quite easy. And you can kind of search for whatever you're looking for. So if you say Instagram, it'll give you a lot of those options already suggested there. But say for example, I just go to templates. I want to see what Canva offers us. You can see that in one of the last videos we did that retro vintage design. So there's a few that it sort of gives you based off that. So here we go, social media or Instagram posts or stories. Sorry, we'll go stories. And we'll kind of pick something from here. Just keep in mind, if they give you templates with audio, you can't really edit them if it's got audio inbuilt in the Canva template. So let's just say we pick this one. Yeah, we'll just use this one. If it's got audio, we'll just leave it. We can customize the template. And then yeah, you can see the duration of this template, which is 5 seconds. You can change this to however long you want. Yeah, and then yeah, it gives you all these elements. You can pick and choose. You can move everything. You can edit it. You can add transitions and animations to different things. So you can see that the effects are here. Maybe we can animate this to just appear up. Breathe. Let's just say we can have these. Maybe just rise. We'll just see what it kind of looks like. Yeah, it's not going to animate much because I think that little square there is only editable. But you can kind of see how it works. You can scrub along the timeline to see how that will appear. If you want to create something a bit more easier, so you can go create design, go Instagram story, we'll do the same thing again. It's going to give us an untitled design with a default duration, I think. And then this is where you can go templates and you can just do whatever. So you can maybe just say vintage coffee. Yeah, that's kind of cool. These are a bit more formal, a bit more realistic, but I think I like that illustrated version. Yeah, and then you can just pick and choose based off the templates. And then yeah, you can edit it through this way. Always remember, click on the background, don't click on an element. I think in this instance it's not really letting us do so. No, so it won't let us do so. Or we'll hit duration. Okay, there you go. So then that's how you kind of add your length of duration. So you can probably just say 8 seconds or 7.5, whatever. And then add that background color back in. And then yeah, you can kind of pick and choose and edit and add transitions. So you can go animate and just go maybe pop. Same with this one. So then if you play that, they'll pop based off the template. So yeah, I think that's probably the two main ways to create new documents. You can also search here and just go, Instagram. Oops. Instagram, and just kind of do portrait again. And then this way it will give you just holistic templates to pick and choose from. So that's kind of cool. So there's heaps of stuff to really pick from. All you need to do is just kind of search what sort of theme, or just use some of the keywords. So maybe we can go like, I don't know, like travel or that sort of thing. Maybe tea, no. Yeah, you can do by like color. Maybe you can do video. maybe templates that use a bit of video, so you can filter things that way. You can pick and choose. It's quite good. It's really, really good. I think there's heaps of stuff to really pick from. We can go maybe like illustration. Let's see what they've got. Yeah, so there's heaps of like this Memphis, corporate Memphis style illustration here, which is interesting if you kind of look that up. But yeah, so you can search here and just kind of look through what else they have. If you're after like a poster or even like a business card, I reckon there's a lot of inspiration that you can get from here. And if you want to make these things in Illustrator, just look through Canva. I think even if you don't even have a pro version, just look through Canva and just see what they sort of give you, which is kind of cool. Get ideas in terms of typography, graphic elements, simplicity. You can get a feel for what you're after, minimal, something a bit more, artistic, that sort of thing. So yeah, it's quite a powerful tool. Keep looking, keep finding things that you kind of after. So it's a powerful tool. Just need to dive in and kind of get started. Even if you're doing resumes, let's have a look at the resume options. We can maybe change this using, maybe we can do minimal. Maybe we'll just go minimal resume. Hopefully it gives us something. I'm looking for something with a bit of yellow in it. Oh, there you go. And then there you go. You can kind of change the fonts and obviously do different things, but yeah. And then the powerful thing is it will always give you related templates. I think this looks a little bit nicer. So yeah, that's a bit out there, but yeah. Pick and choose a template and then see what kind of Canva gives you. I think that's probably the best way to do it. Alright. Yeah, so just let me know if you've got any questions. If you'd like coaching, leave a comment and I'll drop the link in the description.